Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn how to make a ultrasonic water level controlling using 8051 microprocessor. So in this project, we are using these components: 8051 microprocessor and this ultrasonic sensor and this water pump and ground tank, and this is LCD and this is resistor bank. So now we will see the source code. So I have written this source code in this program. This the link of this program will I will give in the description, so you can go to my GitHub here. So there is I have made many programs related to Proteus and Arduino. You can visit this, and you can download and copy from here programs. So now we will go to the simulation and understand this simulation how this work. So when we run the simulation, it will show the message on the LCD. So we will reset the program. So now it is showing that the tank 2 is empty and water level is 83. So when we will decrease the water level to 0, and the ground, now we will see there here that water level is 200. It means there is maximum distance between water and this sensor. When the distance is maximum, then it means that the water level is least in the tank. So this ultrasonic sensor work on the principle of ultrasonic sound. So when the sound waves are uh, strike to the water surface, then it will goes back to this sensor and it will senses the distance between water and the sensor. So we using these logics in the command in the program, and we make a program and this project. So we will now understand how this work. Here we have a ground tank and up floor tank and a water pump. So this is water pump which is feed water to the up floor tank from ground tank. In the ground tank, if we have water, then this water pump will suck water from ground tank to up floor tank. So when the water available in the ground tank, then this pin will senses water and it becomes ground, and this processor will sense that the water is available in the ground tank. Then it will on this water pump. If water is not available in the ground tank, then it will not open on the water pump and save the energy, and it will show also on the LCD that the water is not available in the ground tank. And we have also added a manual system in the water pump, when we can also manually on the motor. When we press this button, it will become manually on the water pump. So this is the additional advantages in this project. So now we will see when the ground tank have water, then it will become ground, and the water level is now uh, so least, and it is showing 200 means water is in the bottom of the tank. So when the water is increased, the distance will be decreased. Now it is decreased 50%. So and here it is showing that water level is 97 and tank near to fill, because the water is now increased up to mid of the up floor tank. So when we decrease the distance, and water level will be increased. When the water level is reached zero, it means the tank is now filled, and the distance between sensor and water now is 0 centimeter. So the motor is now off, and now the motor will not automatically on up to up to 25% less the water. When the water level is decreased 25%, then the motor will on. We will see this. Now the water is decreased up to now. Now water level is decreased, and when we decrease it more, then the motor will not on. When it decrease up to 50, now the pump is on. Keep in mind that the pump will not on when the water level is near near to the 50. When the water level is increased from 50, then the pump will not off up to when the water level is reached to zero. When water level is reached to zero, then this motor will automatically off. So this is the project. If you understand this project, then like it. If you have any question or query, then ask me in the comment section. I will be answer your question. Thank you.